I was going to rent an auger out. Got out of the truck, started walking, got about maybe 10, 15 feet. Felt the tug on my right leg, looked down, thought it might have been my shoelace or something, I don't know. By the time I looked down, both of my legs were going back behind me, like if somebody was to lasso your feet. My hands went forward, and then I caught myself, I hit my knee, caught myself, but this arm went that way. And when it went that way, that's when my head hit the ground and just went across the concrete. I sat there stood there for about, I don't know, 10 seconds, and I touched my head. I had blood on it, so I got back in my car, and I called my wife from the car, and she said, I'll come and take you to the hospital. My wife looked up an attorney on Google, and the first thing came up was Ankin Law.
Essentially, he was getting out of his vehicle to go into the store when he slipped and fell on a piece of plastic banding. I made a case that I essentially instructed the adjuster for the company that this merchandise either came from merchandise held within the store or kept within the parking lot. At first, they didn't really believe that, and they offered $900 to settle this case. And we said, absolutely not. In mediation, we were awarded $65,000, but I thought we can do better. So we walked. Eventually, they came back and said, here's $95,000 to settle this case. So we increased that initial offer by almost 100-fold.
It was good. He answered all your emails, calls right away, got back to me. So everything was good. Of course, I know lawsuits are a long process, but it was an easy process to me. I would recommend Ankin Law, yes, definitely. Yeah, for sure. That'll be my first, go-to.